Nakaka-bored. Pero wala akong magawa sa panahon ko. Anyways, yan ang mga nakikita nyo. Yan ang nasulat ko. Well, anyway, mga pare ko ay sa limang huwag kang mawalan ha. Baka mag-porn na yan. 5 lang kayong nakikinig sa notification bell ko. And pag namayan yan ng isa, lagot, wala na. Wala nang matitira pa. Well, anyway, balik tayo sa mundo ng information. Clap your hands. Very good. Alam mo pare ko, kamakailan lamang nakasulat din ako ng libro na eto na yung sinasabi kong technocracy. What is technocracy? So eto na, i-discuss natin siya ngayon. Baka tayo ay mahan pa ng Amerika. Alam mo naman yung curiosity ng America when it comes to something, but they are the most curious one. They are the most intellectual being. They are those person who loves to research and develop things and study and everything else. You know, it's nothing impossible sa America. They are those person. So, as a fellow enthusiast, I did also create a book. Ito na yung gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo. What is technocracy? Ano nga ba ang technocracy? Ito yung sabi kong a government filled with more technological advancement, technologies, computer systems, labs, gadgets, circuits, database, satellite imagery. They are not bullshits actually. They are real. Ito na yung mangyayari, yung nashock ang mundo when they televise the Olympic. When they televise the Live Aid on the previous millennium, 80s yata yun. When they started the Live Aid, the whole world was shocked in America. They were able to do it. And they are now doing it once again. The rise of technocracy. What is technocracy nga ba? Ito yung government filled with technology. They no longer need those things like blah blah blah, blah 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 this, blah 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 that. They no longer have propagandas like, I am this. No, they're no longer like that. They are more on aims, goals, and then, alam mo yung goals, tapos, yung, kapag na-achieve mo na, yun ang result. That is technology. They're no longer on blah, 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 propaganda, this. They are on more outputs, result. That is technocracy with the use of technology. Baka, ito yung mall natin, ito yung teknolohiya. It is no longer working with humans. It's no longer working with yung tabang may human concept. They are working with technology. Ito na yung pupunta ka sa malls na mag-isa ka. You're going to the counter, skakan mo, and there's no human in it. It is technology. That is technocracy. Only in the side of the government. Alam mo ang kagandahan ng naisulat ko, doon mo makikita how fast it is. How really fast it is compared to those, yung alam mong traditional na pamumulitiko. Traditional na politics. It's like Socrates. And yung compared mo, it's like this, Ito yung Greece. Ito tayo, Philippines. It is the Greece. We are filled with highly intellectual people without output, and then we debate more. We tend to debate this, debate that, debate this. We tend to quarrel this, quarrel that. Debate and debate. And then suddenly America appear with Captain America soldier, and he's filled with technology. And you are like Greece. Now we're debating without output at all. And then you go to wage war with them. Na they are filled technological enhancement. They have guns and you have swords. It's like that. Yung parang ganyan. You're going to battle them with political outview with those things. Then you're going to battle with civilization with them. You're like an ant, diba? That's how they are doing right now. I hope so, diba? Anyway, it's technocracy. A democracy filled with technology. So, they are more on output. Ito yung parang like Pupunta ka ng palengke, magbabayad ka ng coins, and then bibigyan ka. But it is no longer like that in technocracy. It is, you're going to the market, going to get the pouch, scan it, pay it over the anong tawag nila, system, then that's it. Diba? It's super fast. So anyway, baka maunahan tayo ng Amerika. Hindi, bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Baka magsisi kayo. Because Elon is serious about it siguro. Siguro lang, ha? Kasi Pinoy tayo. Kumpara mo yung level ng IQ ng Filipino to the Americans. Diba? Medyo outdated tayo, pare kayo. Sa libro ko, sinulat ko yung how government will work with technology. Diba? How R&D's, research and development outputs will manage the government. How outputs can devour the world. Eto tayo ngayon. Dinidiscuss ko siya because we are in the world of information technology. We are in the world of science. Kumbaga, part lang tayo ng science. We are not on. We are information technology. So, eto ngayon, i-discuss ko. Example, may munisipyo ka. You have the municipality and it is filled with servers. Diba? Ang servers kasi, they are filled with data. So, eto yun. Municipality filled with servers. Di ba, nag-misto lang Pentagon siya. Yan tayo ngayon. A municipality filled with servers, not with human. Yan tayo. So, when they do their work, di ba, usually word tayo. We are on word. No longer in word. Siguro, sa technocracy, they are built systems. They are built databases. They are built with more systems, networks, and ano nga yan? Database. So, di ba? When we do the work in the office, kunwari kailangan ni mayor ng development plan. So, you need to, di ba? You need to write things. Write things on a computer and then send it on your storage disk. Yung HD. Diyan may store yung lahat ng data mo. Siguro, sa technocracy, it's no longer like that. It doesn't work like that, Siguro lang. Because, hindi mo pa nakikita eh. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung technocracy. It is just a mere concept na kinakatakutan din ng mga Amerikano. Kahit ako, nakaka-excite ako. Baka na-hire na kaming lahat ng standby na IT sa mundo. Lahat ng information tech na standby sa Pilipinas. Baka and I am expecting na sana nga magkatotoo. Anyway, that's technocracy. Ang technocrats na sinusulang ng walang iba kundi ang the federal state of America, the 50 states of America, and they're not, and siguro, totoo nga, who knows, maybe, baka doon na ako mag-migrate, tulungan nyo ako, ni piso wala ako, visa lang, kahit visa lang, passport meron na ako, pahirapan pa, pera wala rin, wala ako, visa wala nga rin, wala akong pambayad ng kuryente namin, boy, kinakarin ko na to. Mahirap magtrabaho. Walang trabaho, walang sweldo. Kinakarin ko na to. Tulungan nyo naman ako. Kahit papiso-piso lang. Diba? Na makamigrate ako sa US. Yan tayo sa mundo ng information technology, Baka naman mag-expect ka na yung AIT mo, nagdodota ka lang. Ay, hindi rin. Hindi ko pa na-discuss nga pala sa yung systems, no? Ang swerte nyo, na-discuss ko agad yung technocracy bago yung mga systems. Hindi ko pa nga na-discuss sa inyo yung databases. Wala pang database, wala pang system development. Nakakatakot na mangyayari sa Amerika. I am expecting it. Kaya nga, nakakaano eh. Hindi, no? Nakakatakot. Isipin mo to kriminal ka. You are the criminal. Pupunta ka sa lugar na ganito. And then, syempre, matatakot. Pulis ang kakatakutan mo. But it is not like that. It is not working like that. You have the satellite imagery. You have the internet. You have the USA. May dish tayo. And you have the technocrats. Yung mga, alam mo yung Silicon Valley? yung tepong Amazon. Facebook lang ako. AI. Generative AI. Yan, Silicon Valley. Apple. Yung nag-away na Microsoft and the Apple. Yung legend ng isang genius at isang thief. The genius one and the legendary. Iba naman talaga ang app. Ito yung the legendary genius one and the medyo common sense one. Ito yung nonsense. Ito yung not sensible. In fairness hindi ko pa na-discuss yan. That is the world of technology naman. Nakakatakot lang kasi nga kapasok na nga ang teknolohiya sa mundo ng public government. You have to expect na para tayong si Socrates dati. You have to expect na ito si Greece. Nakikipagdebate kung saan-saan. We are like sharing the opinions, sharing our thought, sharing this, sharing that. And they are like, I don't really care. I love the progress. I'm going to ask the people, let's vote it. And then let's do it. And then let's process this one with the use of technology. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. No longer debate, more on progress. Yan, technocrats. Nakakatakot kasi ang sa kanila, kasi itong napapakinggan ninyo, this is my own point of view. Iba yung point of view nila kasi ang point of view nila parang, alam mo yung sa yung X-Men. Alam mo yung how X-Men works, how Magneto create his own yung parang ganun. Yan sila. That's how they're doing it, di ba? Nakakatakot na. Parang yung yung card administration, like how blinded are in ICC, yung Duterte. And then dumating yung Pentagon, and then ewan. Yan ang mangyayari sa America parang hindi pa natin kaya siguro maging technocracy. Hindi pa. Sa nabalitaan ko last year, kakapasok ko lang sa inyong sistema, your system, the government system. Kakapasok ko lang sa DICC. And that's how are they doing, di ba? Nakikibalita ka sa DICC, gusto mong pasukan, and they're doing that. And nakapagtrabaho ka sa telcos and AT&T, and then you start to use your imagination. Gano nga ba ako post ang Pilipinas, ikukumpara sa kanila, so it will take time para bago tapag-adjust sa technology. I-out ko na po sa kabila. Good luck sa inyo, Republics. And papakinggan po ito kasi para tayong paranoid. Yan ang mundo ng information technology. That's how technocracy work. Longer work. It is work by the system. Computer system, databases, and more outputs. No debates, no quarreling, wala yan. Yan ang technocracy ng Amerika. And I will be sa kanila. US tayo, balik tayo. Sometimes sa Japan, nakikita ako sa Japan. Alam niyo na, baka mamaya tayo sandalo with bullet. And they're ready with their robots. And it's a total endgame. Kasi nga, updated tayo dun. Baka lumaban na mga gigantic robot nila. And we are mag-migrate. We are no longer safe in hands, siguro. Pag nangyari yun. And when that time comes, may visa, ay may ano na ako, may pasaporte. Kulang ko pa ang visa. Salamat Lord. Adios. Bye-bye.